This phone is a literal power bank with a screen. The Doogee S200 Max, the absolute unit that makes other rugged phones seem like a delicate flower. This beast just leaked and it's wildfire. You get a bonkers 22,000 mAh battery, literally 4 times bigger than your iPhone. This thing can probably charge your car. You get dual screens, a 6.72 main display and a tiny 1.3-inch screen at the rear for YouTube previews and custom signatures. You get dual flashlight on the top, 10 plus meter beam distance with 5 modes including SOS, basically a lighthouse. You get night vision camera with infrared because why you don't want to be a Batman. This is some of the specs of this phone. You get a Dimensity 7050 plus 16 GB of RAM plus 512 GB storage, which can be enhanced to further 2 terabyte. 108 megapixel main camera, 32 megapixel selfie, and a dedicated night vision camera. You get IP68, 69K, military standard, 810H certified. It's like a tank. You get Android 15 out of the box, 66-watt charging, which will forever take to charge because it's coming with a massive battery. The kicker, it's only going to be priced at $560. That's like 0.025 per milliampere. This is not for your daily driver. It's mainly meant for if you're a construction worker who needs a phone that survives everything. Someone who camps for weeks without power. That friend who never charges their phone but somehow needs everyone else's charger. Drop your thoughts below. Would you like this chunky box or stick to regular phones? Who actually needs a phone with 22,000 mAh battery? Is $560 a steal or is this too much a niche phone? Like, share, and subscribe if you want more such news.